Hey there, Lemonheads. Look at this channel right here. It is making simple animations for kids. It is getting millions of views. Now, let's look at their social blade. We can see that they have over 850,000 subscribers and are making between 6 and 95k a month. Well, today I will show you how you can do this too by using AI. And it will look like this.
Hello, young learners. Welcome to our colorful world of learning and fun. Today, we'll embark on an exciting adventure to discover the wonders of colors. Let's start with the 3 primary colors.
In just 7 steps, you will be able to do this too. So let's go. Step 1. Finding the perfect script. First things first, we need an engaging script for our kids' animation learning video. Let's head over to ChatGPT and ask for a YouTube script that will captivate our young audience. Boom! There it is. ChatGPT gave us a script with the title, Fun with Colors, an animated learning adventure. So we will be creating a color learning kids video. If you do not like the script, just ask ChatGPT again to come up with a better idea. Step 2. Text-to-speech with 11 Labs. Now that we have our script, it's time to turn it into a narration. We'll use 11 Labs, an amazing AI tool that generates text-to-speech. You can use up to 10,000 characters for free. The starter subscription plan only costs $1 the first month. That plan includes a commercial license and 30,000 characters. 11 Labs has many pre-made voices. Just go to the speech synthesis section and go to the settings and click on the first bar. There are all the voices stored. You can listen to all of them and then choose the one you like the most.
The greatest part of our happiness depends on our dispositions, not our...
You can't blame gravity for falling in love.
Choose your favorite voice. Now insert the narration from the script ChatGPT created for us in the text section. Copy and paste only the text that comes after host. And do this for all the parts. When you are done, click Generate. Make sure the audio file is no longer than 2 minutes. This is important for the next step. I had this problem and I just generated it in 2 times. Here is the outcome.
Hello, young learners. Welcome to our colorful world of learning and fun.
Step 3. Animation with Adobe Express. Next up, we'll bring our script to life using Adobe Express. Just go to Adobe Express, the exact link will be in the description, and then log in or sign up with your email. You can make animations for free here. To do that, click the button that says Make Animations for YouTube. Now pick a funny character, like this adorable little monkey. Then go to the background section and make sure the background is either green or blue. This is important for later, so we can edit it easier. Now upload the audio file from 11 Labs and wait till Adobe Express is done processing. Once it has finished, it will look like this.
Hello, young learners. Welcome to our colorful world of learning and fun.
Isn't that amazing? The way his mouth moves, how he blinks, and even the hand gestures. Okay, now on to the next step. Step 4. Creating a vibrant background with Canva. To make our video pop, we'll head over to Canva. It's time to design and create the perfect background. So, let's go to Canva. Create your account if you haven't already. Now click on Video, where it says 1920 x 1080 pixels. By the way, this tool is also free to use. Now you can go and create a background for your video of your liking. Just use the search bar to find suitable elements and drag them inside your project. You can also add animated elements like moving trees or a sun with a face. Pay attention to your script that ChatGPT made for you. Maybe there are important elements that you have to add in. By dragging on the right side of your timeline, you can expand or decrease the duration of your video. Now, for example, if we want to animate this bee, we just click on Animate and then on Create an Animation. Now we can drag the bee with our mouse and an animation will be created. I've done the same thing for this butterfly. If everything is done and you are satisfied with the end result, go to the right corner and click Share, and then click Download. Step 5. Editing and adding effects. Now that we have all the elements ready, it's time to put them into a video editing software of your choice. First, I made sure that our monkey is being chroma keyed. That means with this effect you won't see the green background. Since the video was about colors, I had to click Insert Generated Media and then click Solid Color. That way I made all the colors from red to magenta. Each time a color appeared, I added a pop sound effect. And I also put the sound effect of children cheering in it a couple of times. More important though is the fact that if you, for example, need an animated element from Canva, you just pick the element and you make sure the background is either green or blue. I did that, for example, for the steering pot and the animated drums. Also, I added background music that I found in the audio library from YouTube. Just select as genre, children's, and you will find plenty of songs to use. Make sure the video is as appealing as possible for your target audience. As a final touch, I rendered the video and then re-imported the rendered video to then add some more saturation and contrast to it. If you're done, export the video as an MP4. Step 6. Crafting your YouTube channel. With our video complete, it's time to create our YouTube channel. Let's ask ChatGPT for the perfect name and bio that will appeal to our target audience. Next to that, I also wanted a logo with that channel name, Fun Learn Animations. For that, I went to Canva and experimented with it. Just get creative. Logo and banner creation can be done with any image editor. For the banner and profile pic, we can use some great screenshots from our animation. Just have fun with it and make it look nice. Now create your YouTube channel. Fill out all the details and upload the profile pic and banner. For the description, I added the bio ChatGPT created for us. And in the settings, I also added some keywords so our channel will be more visible. And next, I made sure to set the channel as made for kids in the advanced settings. Step 7. Uploading and setting up. So now for the final step. Just upload the video. Ask ChatGPT for the title, description and tags. And publish it. Now you're all set to start making passive income. Here is the full video result to get you inspired.
Hello, young learners. Welcome to our colorful world of learning and fun. Today, we'll embark on an exciting adventure to discover the wonders of colors. Let's start with the 3 primary colors, red, blue, and yellow. These colors are the building blocks of all other colors. Now let's see what happens when we mix these primary colors. When we mix red and blue, we get purple. And what about mixing blue and yellow? That's right, we get green. Lastly, when we mix red and yellow, we create orange. Amazing, isn't it? So now we have 3 new colors, purple, green, and orange. These are called secondary colors. But wait, there's more. By mixing a primary color with a secondary color, we create tertiary colors. This is a reddish-purple color, also known as magenta. And if we mix blue with green, we get a beautiful shade called teal. Lastly, when we mix yellow with orange, we create a warm and vibrant amber color. Colors are all around us. Look at these lovely flowers and fruits with their vibrant hues. Nature is the best artist, isn't it? To help us remember all these colors and how they relate to each other, we have the color wheel. It's like a rainbow circle of colors. Let's take a closer look. As we move around the color wheel, we see the colors blending and changing. It's like magic. Did you know that colors can also affect our emotions? Blue can make us feel calm, red can make us feel excited, and yellow can make us feel happy. Great job, young artists! You've learned all about primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. Plus, how they mix, how they appear in nature, and how they can evoke different emotions. Keep exploring the world of colors, and remember to have fun while learning. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting learning adventures. See you next time.
So hopefully you are now all set to make your own AI animation. Create something amazing. Subscribe until next time. Bye.